In this video, I will show you how to transfer ownership of any file or folder in your Google Drive. So right click on it, then click on share. Enter the email address where you want to share this file. Then click on done. Now again right click on it. Now you will see this icon. Then again click on share. Now here click on editor. So you will see option now transfer ownership. Click on it. Then click on send invitation. Then click on done. Now open that particular email address where you got the invitation. Open it. Then click on respond. Now here accept. So this way guys you can change ownership, and also guys you can remove first owner. Then click on save. That's it. So this is the way guys you can change ownership of a file or folder in Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not. Very simple and easy method. Just find out that folder, then share. Select email address for person where you want to send share ownership. Again right click on it, share, edit, transfer ownership, send invitation, done. Now open here email address, respond. Accept. Remove first owner if you need, then save. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.